So let me demonstrate the core functionalities of the application. So this is the home page which the user would see. We have listed all our services over here. The user have option to search for a service. In the navigation bar, we have careers option, which would be the registration form for service professional. The service professional will fill their details, click on register, and a request would be sent to the admin for approval. When the user clicks on login, we have a login page, which is a single login page for all three roles. Then we have sign up option, which would be the register page for the user. Now let me log in as three different roles in three tabs. So now I'm logged in as admin. In the admin's dashboard, we have basic details like total number of users, pending approvals, blocked accounts, active accounts, number of services, number of completed services, and a few graphs for admin's better understanding of the platform. In the user section, you have we have listed all the users, either they are service professional or the normal customer. The admin have option to search for a customer or service professional by entering their name. We can filter the users based on the role, like user and service professionals. The admin have option to view each user. If he or she is a service professional, he can see their detail, and on clicking the resume, he will be navigated to see the resume page. Okay, now he have option to block or unblock a particular user. On blocking and unblocking, a mail is sent to the user saying that he has been blocked or unblocked, like this. Okay, now we have service management tab. Here we have listed all these services. The admin can search for a service, uh, edit an existing service by clicking on this button, and then he can also add a service like adding a service. Let me choose a file. Okay, our service has been added. We have also option to delete a particular service. You can click on the delete button and this service has been deleted. Now we have option of service request, where the admin can see all the service which have been requested, and you can see the professional detail, the customer who has requested the service, the date of request, and the status. Now he can click on the logout button to log out from the dashboard. So now I have logged in as a user, service professional Aman, who provides AC servicing, and then this is service professional Amit, who provides haircut, but he is waiting for his approval. He has filled the form and he is waiting for the admin to approve. So let me just approve him. Go back, logging again. Okay. So he is Amit, who provides haircut. He is Aman for AC servicing. Let me just book a service. Haircut. Search for a service. Click on the result. He is asking me to log in. So let me log in. Okay. Now I'm logged in. Here I can see the customer reviews. basic details about the services, some promises. Click on the request. Service requested, kindly wait it to be allotted to the service professional. So what happens now is that the service request is sent to all the service professionals who are associated with that particular service. In this case, it is haircut. So let me just go back and see Aman, who is basically AC servicing service provider. So he has not got a request. But Amit, who provides haircut service, let me see. So he has got a request. Let me accept it. Okay. Go back to the user. When the user clicks on My Services, you see that Amit has accepted the request and the process is ongoing. On successful completion of the task, the service professional or the user may close it by clicking on the close button. Okay. So the status is complete. Now the user will get an option to review the service. Okay. The user may give his rating, write his review, click on submit review. Okay. The review has been submitted. He can also search here. Since I have only one service, this would not be showing the results. Okay. So clearly we can see that in the customer review, his ratings and review has been added. And at the side of the service professional, I can see in the review section, the review has been added. On the profile reviews, we can see his reviews and rating. The service professional can also view his resume and update his profile by clicking on this edit profile option. He can change the service type also from here. Lastly, in the backend job, we have daily reminders, which we can see. The pending request for the service professionals. They get a mail saying that they have some pending request in their dashboard, asking them to log in and take some action. Then we have monthly activity reports. So this is sent to each user, be it the service professional or the normal user. They have complete report of how many services they have taken, completed, and how many are pending, along with the table. Lastly, we have the user triggered backend job, export service data, which the admin can trigger by clicking on this button. So this downloads the service request data. We have ID, service ID, customer ID, professional ID, date of request, date of completion, service status, remarks, and rating. So this is all about the backend job.